I've wanted to get one of these for a while on video, and I just happened to be cutting a couple of new properties today, and looked up and saw these and thought, well, gosh, here's my moment to make a video of these Gloriosa lilies. They're an exotic. I think they're from Southeast Asia, but they may be pan-Indian. They may go into Africa, pan-Indian Ocean, that is. And the genus is Gloriosa, and the common name is Gloriosa Lilly. A couple other like flame lily and stuff like that. I'm gonna guess that this is superba, but take a look at the flower and correct me. There's like 10 species that I could find in one of the books. But judging by the flower alone, I'm thinking superba, but I'm totally ignorant. I don't know, but just it looks like the flower that was used to describe superba. It's a deciduous perennial, and you know, so this will all die back after the quote-unquote wet season, summer around here, and it'll come back from tubers. I've taken tubers out of the ground and not had much luck getting them to transplant, but man, these things are living in hardscrabble environment right now. One customer of mine was telling me the lady poisoned this whole trough here between the two fences, and this stuff still came back, and most of the other woody stuff in here died. So it is tough, but I just haven't mastered the art of transplanting them yet, but I'm sure it's not that hard. Probably just my laziness that killed them. So anyway, Gloriosa Lilly. The one other notable thing is they're in the Colchiaceae family, and I probably butchered that pronunciation, but the important thing is they have colchicine in them, which is a mutagenic, I guess, for lack of a better word. Best thing I can come up with right now. It creates a polyploidy expression in plants versus diploid or triploid sets. It scrambles the genetics, so you can get a whole lot of varied expression in a simple plant when you introduce colchicine to a seed or a germinating seed. So I don't understand all of that, but it's interesting. You can get freaky mutants basically when you use colchicine in a developing embryo of a plant. So once again, Gloriosa Lilly. Real pretty flowers. I mean, these things always catch my attention, and they grow feral around here, so they stand out when they're in bloom. And the plant form itself is kind of neat. It's sort of a scandent vine, climbs its way up. It's got these little hooks, these little tendrils. Sorry, I might be too close there. But anyway, enough of that. Gloriosa Lilly.